To program the Series 7000, first you need to download the Magnet app on your mobile device with Bluetooth. Once you open the app, it will search for all meters within a 10-meter radius. In our warehouse we've obviously got lots, but you will only have one in this list. The serial number, which can be seen on the side of the meter here, will be shown in the list. Look for your serial number. Here's ours. We'll click it, we'll get a circle as the two units try and talk to each other, and in a second it will ask us for a password. Here, so it's 6 zeros. We can then press confirm. And here we're into the menu. We need to wait for the two sections down here to populate the date and time. Once they've populated, we can then start making our changes. So we'll just give that a second. Here we go. So you can now see that they've populated. Everything in this list is populated. There's no spinning wheels. We're okay to make our changes. Down here we've got the settings button. Once we press that, this is where we make our changes. As you can see on the display, this is currently in meters cubed an hour. So for example, if we wanted that in liters a second, we'd click here. Flow technical units is in meters cubed. We'll change that to liters. Press OK, and then we'll wait for the change to be made on the display before we make another change. You only want to make one change at a time. There we got liters, and now you can see we've got liters. On the hour, if we do the same, we'll do seconds. Press save. Seconds on the app, seconds on the meter. So we know that's working well. Another change we can make is the totalizer has no decimal places. We can click here, change that to 1, press save, and we can now see our totalizer has a decimal place. If you want to change the pulse output, if you're taking pulse from the unit, go down to the pulse value, click on the pulse width. For data loggers, we generally want to change that to 20, press save. That's complete. Pulse volume, so how many pulses per litre. This is a 50 ml, so we only want 1 pulse per litre. We'll press save, and that's the pulse factor setup. You'll see here you've got a little warning triangle. Oops, sorry. You can ignore that warning triangle, and any other settings you want to change are in this list, and that is it done.